Hello, welcome to my channel. Today let's do some descriptive statistics using C programming language. So in this video I'm just making some functions on the different uh, statistics like mean, minimum, maximum, and median. So currently right now you can see here the function mean being written. Okay, it's just summing up all the data inside an array and then dividing it into the number of elements. So this function requires that we input the pointer of that particular array and then the size of that array. Okay, so that is the mean function. The next one is the maximum. So it will then take again an input of the array and its size, and then we will use this function called sort min to max. So this function will sort this existing array from the smallest up to the largest value. Okay, zero element will get the smallest, and larger element will get the top element will get the largest value. So this function can be you can get that in the link on this video. Okay, that's the max value. So the max is the topmost element in the array, and then we have the minimum value. We just need to change this to get the zeroth element of that particular array because the array has already been arranged. And the last one is the median that we're going to compute. So the median will be not a little trickier, so you just need to sort it out again, the array. And if the number of elements is an odd, like for example 9 or 7 elements inside the array, so I just need to return the median element value. So in this case we're going to test if that is really an even or an odd numbered element array. So I'm just putting in some of the initialize the variables like value and number of elements, and now we're going to get it now. So array from, so the size plus 1 will be the size of the array, add 1 and divided by 2, and we're going to return that element, the value inside the element. And else if we have an even number of element inside the array, so what we're going to do is just get the two middle part, two element in the middle, sum it up and divide it by 2, so it will return a floating point value even though the inputs are all the elements are all integers. So now I'm just going the lower element in the middle and the upper element in the middle. So the lower element I need to subtract 0.5 because technically it divides the whole array into 2, and we have about 0.5 or half of it that needs to be removed. Okay, now we are just getting in the value. So I'm just typecasting this from float into an integer, and this one make sure that it is a float. I have an error here, so the error is from 36. It should be an integer. So, okay, everything has been checked now. Now we're just going to do the header file. So the header file contains all the function prototypes in the source file. So this is from the functions.c source code. I need to put in the header. So these I just look at it and put everything there. Okay, so just all the prototypes. So there are, I think, 4 functions that I need to change: the mean, the median, the minimum, and the maximum. There's an error there, so it should be max. So later on it will be modified. So next on the list is just to get the main source file. We add up the headers and write in the code. So here I'm going to put in an array with some numbers, random numbers. They are not ordered. And just name it as data. So you can see there's an error because there's no comma between 90 and 91. So you need to change that one. and then I'm just going to get the size of this array so that we can use it in the for loop. In the for loop, we just need to compute for the descriptive statistics. So here I'm just describing them. So applying all the functions that we created before, and then printing out the initial data in the screen. Yeah, so we print out original data in the screen first, so it's just a for loop again, and then we print out all the statistics by using the functions. So that is all about this video. So I hope you like this video, and if please click and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Okay, so now I'm just writing in the mean, the maximum, median, the minimum here. Okay, so C is very powerful because it is fast, although you need to put in all the effort in typing in the code, so it's much longer writing than compared to Python, but it will be fast. So okay, so I finished that one. So let's just execute it but first compile it and execute it. So in compiling, so I added all the source code that I needed. Okay, the error already shows itself, so just need to change this to maximum value, max, right, from M to X. Okay, and then run the software. Okay, so that's it. So the median value is 45, and okay, so I just need to for beautification, and that's the result. So I hope you like this video. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.